Something smells delicious. Kelly's Cuisine cooking the best dishes. Food and drinks, recipes so nutritious. Kelly's in the kitchen, so don't you miss it.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly D, and we've made 8,000 subscribers. Yay! I want to thank you so much for watching my videos, liking, sharing, commenting, every single one of you. So I want to do something special. I'm going to give away 2 special gifts to all of my international subscribers. I'm going to give one of you, one lucky person, a taste of Barbados. You'll be receiving my Bajan flavor bundle, 2 ebooks. One here, traditional Bajan recipes, and over here, 5 Christmas Bajan recipes. And to my local subscribers, I've got you. I will be giving one of you a top of the line branded Kelly's Cuisine cutting board. Some of you have been asking me about it. No, it is going to be yours. One lucky person. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. You have to like this video and comment your favorite Bajan dish. Then I'm going to go through all of the comments and the winners will be randomly selected to win these 2 amazing prizes. My Bajan flavor bundle and Kelly's Cuisine cutting board. So thank you, thank you, thank you.